Yes, 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 yes. Walimu Ogosoa, karibu sana. Karibu sana, karibu sana, karibu sana. Wewe ikamake register Makoli Nyangena ako ndani kabisa. Tete mna Mogosoa mwate walende tu anakovakwania Simba Douglas ndani kutoka Utero ni Moroche gari Lincoln akiwa Bamburi Mombasa, karibu sana Lincoln. Duke Sanitizer agotabanga sawa mkungu ya mono Shadi Nyandi agotabanga waiting bros, asante sana. Eva Kwambi watching live mbia mono, karibu sana. From Nyamira, Charles Luanga agotabanga from Nyamira County, well standing frequency check mbia mono sana. Joseph from Dallas, Texas mbia mono. Nimoroche gari Victor Nyakundi mbia mono. Brenda Nyatichi asante sana, karibu sana. Asa tag the video rangeria abantu kabisa barangerie batebingo moyegango chakorega. We are having a big interview with big people here. Teti Langat Ninkoroche karibu sana. Nindo Chelo na Monchari karibu sana. Sani Nyaribo Nimoroche ayomo nkunyu
Ntobwatega iga Makoli Nyangena agotebanga watching live from Bamburi. Ntobwate Sami Nyariba agotebanga from +966 nga ibano.
+966 Arab countries.
India.
Abutari
Punjab.
India.
Punjab.
Magusi mbayo Punjab.
Mbaro bachete bo indigo so kwerenda mangana economics.
Kwanza pole sana soko nyorua.
Ngaina nyori rubono.
Ninche na nyorua ngachi sana ke chango sara chiaso chinse amochintogo chatwaro kanga nachio. Ono
tobwate Duke Nyachae gotanga no arima mbia moro kabisa, karibu. Abantu bande ngaibale Shadi from Nai Nyandie Kanya Kweba watching from Fedha Ngamoina gakore Easterns Moino ero
na Moroche gari Pius Achuka
Keri Esther yagotebanga kurubu bwasi nyaboterere amalioka kama kawa.
Yes.
Rangeli abantu kura bwano okirete.
Abantu nabwa bankaleko kulera bache baikega.
Nixon mainyeko rongai yagotebanga
ako locked kabisa. Nindo chegari Estakado agotebanga ako ndani kabisa. Nabondo Maureen Vanessa Miss Nyamira County no ara agotebanga watching from Minneapolis.
Nerebado gose former Miss
Nerebado mete kerauni keriki kwa hirwe.
Naboigo
Kerauni keri korumotu egakaba nae for a lifetime.
Nice. Iko no ari ga karibu sana.
Collins Nyakwara Otondo ikire. Lois Nyamosi from Bangalore, India. Bangalore wanago ika India.
India naona ika asakoro kupunjabi. India ni maite New Delhi. Bo indi no maite no nyana bo indi ni nyeroche bu ya kabisa.
Bo India alikana igato mwana minto gari Punjabu salia omoindi geto korokunga parking sha akando seli egioto mwana minto egioto kiarenge gwansa mono kabisa, lakini ncheningo
na nche ni maite no chete New Delhi gari bo indi ni getororong omwana minto nkaegwe ararenta nyakoria. Ne arare no manyete terigo cha tindi akeronye lieterioka tari asoro mutoka yanje na beko gosega segia kiwa con regali
galia na nyoki nande na limira kinirende amangana ye arade ninyi manyete kerodiete arade enge kero kende rio kwenda kibara ngochiere yago sasana.
Sandra Sali yagota from Doha City na ikire ima.
Asante sana. Omwana mito monkunyu. Lero gotubwata abageni besikoga.
Abageni na besika abageni babegate suti. Abageni bakire na goodies.
Abageni bakire na goodies nanda bakoroka big boys. You wanna pang. You wanna chill with the big boys and the big ugans. Onolende igo bakorokunga Granite Diaspora Sacco.
Sacco.
Sacco. Ngoranga litora abageni ga batateva. Lechisako nchire mumbu? Again, tokata yo ngumbu ne chisabu.
Chisabu chimbe.
Mete gusia chisabu ne chinyinge chiro igonga mumbu there's no sabu.
Big people are busy.
People are busy. They are looking for money. Bono abantu bali mu ikire gambu yamono kanago tage video kanako rangelia abantu baikega kegima
na boy go 966 Nero Saudi Arabia.
Nero Saudi. Bono kemunto I represent from Siaya niko ndani kabisa na boy go ni moroche oyo ndani to kroka Shadrack Nyakweba agote bang
ngaikwa enda tobo atio mutandao ngaikwa endo tobo atio mutandao but anyway karibu sana mbiamono kabisa amashabiki aito ando siese muabeta karibu sana omosombo toti manyango kwa enda isiko gore gora internet yesaine bwana takonya koreto busoku mukisini brand ya nene bono nkoreto ro bunyinyeri bono nkiekyo
na Safaricom na bata biriba minyoke bato ekende barutire lakini rende yeso no monene ko bwana nya Safaricom
ngata bono tigato chake
bono tigango tora murangeri Lilian arasoaga ara introduce ereningo risase ligia kabisa no ara lakini ato tebia sa gatina ko kwana erengo chara ereningo
mbuyoko gaidi okay
na boy gorende
mbuya tole karibu
nkieke mwari mukari ko bweria mangana igegesa kweke ba mwabokere to boro
tole ntara
amokale jimotoka imedata nje nimwate yo
to go ikaya kichaka haya tauni yeye
ne chiaka haya
manya goka haya igo maito mobuko noro
igo
mobuko noro kende getayo Ono Lilian abantu baikira kabisa maybe you can start with the introduction. Who are you? Why are you here today? And what this is all about?
That is very nice. My name's Lilian Ongaki from the Granite Diaspora Sacco in the United States. Sacco yomogusi. Wono tora tobatebinga mwaikire. Guys ake yomogusi yabarange irimwensi pio moyaganore tubugato gocha motienyo sita tare 25. Togenda libina kabisa. Mukisi otabire ngontomera roro kore. Bano lende kabisa lende to siberie galia na bonche kolia no ne lira bua nyo nyemo gwanja
goikoje mtoka bankwanja
bano alafu nibugata ne timu ya nengo chere nere ko rwabo yo monero koraro kunga engineer jali arama nero oinde ga bwa semitambo
omo engineer
omo engineer kabisa oikirabo sio kale nene wono twachaga igatorara batogeringa embwe ne kale Minnesota asa koruna land exchange inkobeka mukisiri tureli wono botogumba
pakache
omo nkunyu tago chakamacha wono tielio monwa mokongi bigokora kabisa
Ebintu bikonge kabisa. Lilian yener oyonoro gochikoba omoyego omotanga ninyoranga engaki ange miaka 3 yetire twabere tokomina na kegima na oborwero bwa corona igonga ekagere gochikoba a very very big event.
Yes. Raba tubwate abantu bagocha korwa all over America, abandi nkuru bale Kenya, abandi nkuru bale ngumbu. Ngumbu eliende macha ngumbu omate ngumbu yetole nande bale bogesi yankyo ngumbu ali korokunga korubulite ni Australia bonsi ngocha bale ona timanye tiaye nganga imole ngocha mole mmekaribishwa nyinyi wote.
Asante sana ntubone etole ke ngumbu
Ntori mumbu.
Aya bana inu mole ngumbu ya ituo na intu toka ngumbu ya ino. Toro chirende. Wane itu wate abe hiyo kale physical. Ekoro kunga the Gusi Cultural Night. Wana Gusi Cultural Night. Botambe noro chipna no nyang Kenya aria kera toko beke Cultural Night ote banga mogidi night kwanyora ntuo mwenye getinge ni ntuto tinge to kabisa. Wane inu kwa golere inu nchumwensi. Oyo kokor maate no mbuta yaya inchuo. Oyo go chana nege teliki yaya inchue. Motokoi yote inchue. Okoroi mokindi anyoshe ni inchue. Igabona mwesi mwakali bishwe. Kwensi naba Kenya. Ende toro lengi kege enderete gabu. Elinde togo kole iya 15 ya June. Tomani kogenda bono the AGM ge uchikoba tare 3 motienyo 7 ekale Jumapili. Ono tuteli tukoligima na otokabugata manyamboni kabisa bagocha koranki kegenderete nkyo mogusia kolirega ono monto minto kurunga bitange no akale ambassador Rastas miencha no akale tobwate James Maganda wensi no akale tobwate bantu kuwemba simbache bache bono nye passport yao expire na ora choboliri swali alafu ono nande ntoka bwata abange bagocha gosio kagali alafu ne commissioner nera ngocha gochale omosike marube no akale the CEO from CAC abone ine ya AGM ino yo koragera emeino basa kama chabono abu mukisi na mukisi acha omegishwa no bwato mochibi kabisa igo ora chosa ke bakachimba ruchirolese ogonjo kagochi moino omanya konyoranga DJ naro kurunga Boanzi Bozaya wana marieta ya
wechi santuri
toro ochi abechi saruni keo mininoale na kurunga kasito alafu mwana onde na karabu kurunga mwana kendra na rabande babegete piki baka malendera litoke nene no mosie nko mwakerande sinyunga mbaigete alafu no gotabo kyabu akamwana nkale ga kurugusia bwa nga masiontita bamura gaki achabu to mono yani timanyeti simati osemora acha mosibia matona limora acha moigubuya lakini omono na bwate omwana no gusiko itebere ono no akara bwa ko butomono kabisa bono balia kabisa bakongu bono umosike akorunga umosike eneli nyabuto momanyi nande nkobori aro bunge talibo bunge ngakibona gaba koboruka
obwemisiye
obo kanso korende korumenesota nero bono no akale kabisa nero goto host alafu no musubati wa masase na majuma nande akobangori the family messenger omusubati moitebere kabisa korunga roda moronge yani iyo ko bamura ndochi tonyara manganaye abo bonsi
ayubi ebinte dumaro sine bikongu
alafu mbabonyerere ko ihumole nga Fred machokaro garoga aye bamura bono abono tojo weekend aye lugota manganayo aya bono bikita nararanya buyaliri gabu bono mboja ngo nande kende nyigwe ngoli otara nyingo tinakwana
baigule kabisa na bondo chabantu bakira kido che Dickson Kamanda
karati kana Dickson
aya boli
inkyo koboli Dickson motige kwanza inkare koboli ga baba agenda at the end of the day inkitota ete wa achieve neme sangirekano buneyi ga kero koreto mugusiamo
ekera tokorento mugusiamo achende nene neria abagusi bamanye ng'a magendero ntutaete gokora maeta ndane n'abantu bagotenga abagusi tokobwatia. We are not followers, we are actually starters. So this is the circle of omogusi achakire in the United States. Ebwate tabandang abagusia onsia sebabeta. Yeah, so we are trying to build our community. Omonto tebiro ya mukuru abunga ke busiki abuchire mono. Bono tigamburukanye. Yeah, so we are trying to give back to the community. We are trying to build our community, and we are trying to bring together omogusi. Amasomo walire. Amalinto buate. Yeah. We have the professionals watching into chonsipi asegusi. Inga intunki kiaba tutacha kegento na intutora akore ke konyo mugusi. One at the end of the day, these two functions. The cultural night, we want to remind ourselves why omugusi, yeah. So we'll have Jojo, that is from Kilimanjaro, to cook for us some bananas. And bring some fish in case Otieno decides to attend. We will enjoy that. We'll have a little Mokimo there. He said Wanjiro will come and say hi to us. And the Motokoi also, yeah, so that Kalonzo will come and eat the Motokoi with us too. So that all that will be there. And we are going to meet people of all walks of life coming to join us, not only Kenya. They hear the culture. They want to see what you are made of. At the end of the day, once we have done that, we are also looking to get our Kisi people informed that something like this is existing in the United States. So that event is going to be in Lumber Exchange. That is in Minneapolis. Minneapolis, that is in downtown. I will write in a few minutes here or on the Facebook chat. I will write the address for that place because I can see people they're asking the address for the Lumber Exchange. So those yes, those two functions will be actually held in that event. So when we finish the cultural event, we are going to be there the whole week, crisscrossing Minneapolis. Yeah, we'll have the people who are coming as investors also. Investors, Equity Bank, Optiven. We have Mahiga Homes, KCB Bank, and the rest. You want to open an account, you utapata pale. You want to get a loan, they will be able to give you there. And of course, you want to have a place you can be housed before you go or you head going to for the land, for the loan and whatnot. That is where the Grand Granite Diaspora Sacco comes in. So the Grand Granite Diaspora Sacco is a Sacco yomogusi or yosoirebono iga. Yes.
Lilian, about this one. As you're going on, maybe there's someone who is joining right now. They don't understand maybe what granite is. Briefly, maybe you can just talk about it, tell them what it is, and why Omogusi all over the world, not only in the diaspora, need to be part of you guys, the benefits, briefly.
Thank you. So the Grand Granite Sacco, I'm glad you asked that question for the people who have just come in. The Grand Granite Diaspora Sacco is a Sacco for Omogusi. So that Sacco started a year and a half ago, that is 2020. That is the time we registered. All these diaspora Saccos, they're actually registered in Kenya, meaning we are using all the regulations governing the societies in Kenya. But the location is here. All the membership, 90.9%, we have there actually the diaspora members. We do have just 1% back home. We call them the SMEs. SMEs, they are subject expert matters. When we do the development, because we are having two arms, I will talk about it in just a few seconds. those are the people we utilize because we want to be transparent. We want to give our members accurate information. Going back to Kenya, we go there for a few days and then we are back again, maybe on vacation, matanga, and the rest of the things. So we want people who are updated with the information. That is why we have that 1% back at home. Yeah, the SMEs, subject expert matters. We have Ndemo Bitange there. We have James Maganda, we have Fred Machoka, and the rest. I may not be able to finish the long list, but the rest of the human beings are actually here. And we do have an office back in Kenya and a CEO. Our CEO is Madam Alice. She's a counsel, and she's also our CEO. So those are the people on the ground. So back here in the United States, all the members here, we have the board of directors. We have the committees that are making the Sacco to run. Those are the structures which makes the Sacco to run. So not only do we have the Sacco, because we have been following the regulation really good as the Kenyan law dictates, we were able to be guaranteed a chance to open another arm for the investment. As you understand right now, the Sacco has been left for savings and credit. Then the investment, that is where tunaenda to invest Murundo. Yeah. There are various projects we want to get into. I cannot get them get on that right now. It's something we can talk about later on. So the investment these are all under the Granite Diaspora Sacco.
Very good, very good.
Yes.
Can I go ahead?
Osoro?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a great insights. Whatever we have to mix here and there, getting for those who can hear us, but maybe some can hear us, but and so on and so forth. Also, we welcome questions hapo kwa comment section if you have any question. But again, Tonda avoiding Kelinga is the eventual part. Do you have in place a program whereby you'd want Valitore Kenya, commoners, we come on board so that it becomes this big Sacco? Because so far from what you've articulated, we have must be the current members. From what I picked, most of the members ni wale wako diaspora right now, and a few either who are ex-diaspora members, kind of a thing like Bitange. So what's the eventuality of all this? What's the plan?
So the plan still is trying to grow the Omogusi numbers. Let me give you a very good scenario. You want to build your house. When you want to build your house, you want to make sure the foundation is strong. You want to make sure that foundation has a granite base. You are the one who knows the structure that you're going to build after the foundation. So what we are doing right now, we are building the foundation for the Grand Granite. So that is why we are focusing Omogusi Pitangani. Once that foundation is done, eventually we may open up to bring other people in, but we want to set to me magego kwanza, alafu ndio wao wengine watakuja ndani. Yes.
Maybe Lilian now.
Yes.
If I can go ahead now, maybe you can introduce some of the guys you have so that also they know, as we are telling people that on 25th of June this month there is a Goosey night, big Goosey cultural event happening in Minneapolis, courtesy of Granite Diaspora Sacco. Maybe you can bring in some of your team members so that they can also introduce themselves.
Yes, I have Engineer Joel Rama. Kama anaweza onyesha hiyo uso, anaweza kuja hapo, alafu kisha mwingine. Ndio huyo, hata iko maandishi nyuma yake pale. Ndio huyo, hiyo engineer. Mimi naona tayari umeingia Goosey night. Huko nipatia memo, ushafaa kitenge jamani.
I am home already.
Haki jamani, mukisi ni mukisi tu. Sasa yeye
mukisi ni mukisi.
Hajajitambulisha hata aniambii mimi jamani mambo gani haya. Basi injinia, hebu turusha mdomo wasikie wewe nani hapa.
Asante sana wananchi, mbiamona sana, and I am very proud to be with you today. As a member of the Granite Diaspora Sacco, I work with Madam Lilian, call her my boss, in the marketing department and also part of our investment committee. Let's come together. We have a chance to be one thing and bring development and bring advancement to our people. My personal belief in Naki, I cannot be good when my people are struggling. I cannot say I'm good when my people are struggling. Yes. In different areas. Why don't we bring that knowledge back to our people and support our people and uplift our communities? At the end of the day, you are happy. Yeah? At least you have an income. You generate your income. You have a place to go sell at a good price. A throwaway price. No. You make a living out of what we have. That is our goal. And that's what the purpose of this group. But we are promoting our people. We are saying, come, let's come together. No, all over. Everybody else. And there's nothing wrong with that. Everybody else have an organization. Like in Intwe, we try, it doesn't work. But this one, I can tell you for sure. Mwano Minto, wherever you are, come and join us. You are in the diaspora, come and join us. We welcome you. We are a very vibrant group. Within the short time we have been in existence, almost 2 years, we are among the very few circles that are legally registered and fully registered in Kenya. That is an achievement that many organizations have not done. And the reason why we are very strict, we are very observant, and we are very confident in everything we do. We are very deliberate to make sure that we abide by the laws of the country. Money is a problem for everybody. You have to be accountable. We believe in accountability. You can see where your money is. Anything we do, any project, every member has to vote and give their voice in support or against. And you are given all the details so that you make an informed decision. That's why we have our subject matter expertise in Kenya. It can work, or that place you're being told it does not exist, so that you don't go buy something that does not exist. No mind diaspora na wawa tabina abantu batomire kibezanka omuntu gwake bikwata nobody munagolide enyo mana agwaga ajeire yega kumbe umuntu akari kwa diaspora rongai nyombe tai ndo omuntu kimbuna tayo kibeza kiajiri. This one we work with facts. We work with our people on the ground. We follow the laws of the country, and at the end of the day we make sure that your money is safe. If you decide you don't want to participate, it's okay. You are still our member. We don't force you to do something you don't want. But if it is something you want, now in our organization, we discuss, we investigate, we research, we come up with a solution. This is how we can approach it. Do we agree? Yes. Let's go ahead and do it. We are working together, and we are very excited. Now, you can see my excitement is beyond measure. I am looking forward to in Minneapolis at the Lumber Exchange. I miss dancing. I'm a fan of culture nights. I am a fan of music. I'm a fan of all the cultures. You come there, be ready. Got the whole day. I'll be there, very vibrant. I'm looking forward. Please join us. Come, let's work together.
Asante. Asante sana. Akurukunga Joel Arama. Lilian, that was good from Joel Arama. Thank you so much. Lilian, who else do we have? And as we're inviting more people to come.
No, I'm going to go to the studio. Mr. Esbon Kibogo is in the Abagsi Global Radio Studio. Oh, no, I'm going to be too late. Tigango nerara kwa namura is a young tack. One namura nyoro go tuangashengi yumi misiko. I hope you guys can understand. Esbon, mambo gani vipi hapo?
Asante. Kevin whatever. As a Granite Diaspora Sacco, I'm the marketing secretary, and from my side, nditoko make sure na event yego chako koreka na bwangoiga ya Goosey Night ya very ya maana nende yengenjo. Aso ndubwen sudata ko chare the real feeling of Omogusi as a United States for the first time in choto tem konenga kinenge ngyo tem. Karibu sana. I know that we have a lot to talk about, but for the meantime,
Asante sana. And do we have someone else?
Joining us, I'm not sure.
Yes. As we are going with that, there are a few questions.
Yes, we'll go ahead and answer the question as we see how that is.
Yes. Abantu balega babulia mangana ya address. We are going to repeat that for them where the event, the Goosey Cultural Night, is going to be. Nimoroche Mogire Fred Onsare is a senior journalist gali in KFM, our radio station. Ntobwate gali Brian Ayaka Gwara Kobolinga. Do you have any plans as a Sacco to help other Goosey people to work abroad other than using green cards? That's question number 1. And then Kennedy Onchaga Koboli, are your branches in Kenya? That's a question from Kennedy Ongaga. And then also Zach Bosira Kobolinga, how do we join?
Okay, let's go one by one. Chirinko buga tomate waso mabune chavere tatima tingo wano kwaro tene computer atoka na one by one akimkisi wewe sasa. So if we have any branches in Kenya, no, this actually is a diaspora Sacco. We do not have a branch in Kenya. And according to the regulation, it's either we are having it here or we are having it there. It's the office that we have in Kenya. We do not have a branch in Kenya. So I hope I've answered you that. And the other question, somebody asked about the address, the Lumber Exchange address. We're going to put it here shortly. So that one will be answered. That question will be answered. So how to join? Joining, we have a link. There's a link that has been provided. That is the Granite Diaspora Sacco, and it has a join us link. So that join us link, when you go there, you provide us with your name, your 2 names as they appear in either your passport or your ID. And then you will also provide us with your phone number. Has to be a phone number that we are able to reach you, your email address, and then it will require you to give a reference number. So the reference is going to be AGR 2022. That is what you're going to use. That is what has been provided. Did I miss any other question?
No, I think you didn't miss any other question, but I can see people joining. I can see I know Emma CRR, Emma Chris is really putting the link for people there, and then I can see June Richards is also joining. Thank you so much. If you have people in the diaspora, especially Minnesota, Minneapolis, Kanako Batebinga, on 25th of June, we have a big event happening at Minneapolis, Asako Kumuna Lumber Exchange Building, address 10S 5th Street, #300 Minneapolis, Minnesota 55402. Ntuna bakenyo mete ntoko nyara gosoma naki amana ya ale nakibago soma chi address chabo Dixon Commander nimoroche garia Makori Mandera nimoroche garia igonga bagusiba minto balimore chinse chirichesiko. The cultural event that is happening will be the first one to happen after COVID. Igonye kole mumbu, United States of America, goikobororo, purpose to attend purpose to be there. Moche mwego ki chindage ranchiro amanche naro balibago chabasi ba chisanta naisa timanya ti Lilian nabago tetebinga balikero kende batagete busa batagete ritoke batagete konyero bao korokana ki avocado bunanya lesago chora teba mbinte byombikaro.
Oh no, ebusa nero lakini teko ebusa lianka bono tokonyara konyeti goja era ebusa nebusa yo mosongera toke lakini mono ayuna bokwenya nyorande akitota gatinke litali konyara na mabera maruanu kana manyabuali na litoko litwa igubuya yagere ibinde na botoko binyoraga. But be assured we'll have our cultural meals over there. Come and enjoy the delicacies that will be provided by Lumber Exchange and Kilimanjaro catering. That is aka Jojo. Those who know Jojo, you can go online and browse his website and start appetizing your mouth. You make sure it is watered enough. By the time you come, you are swallowing the ombuta without chewing the bones. So that is what is gonna happen. Alafu utapata na mandizi iteremshie hiyo kidogo kidogo mpaka tumalize. Hata samosa kutakuwa nayo pale. And then you will get a chance to meet the investors who will be there. Of course, we have the Equity, as I mentioned earlier. That is the Equity Bank from Kenya. We have Optiven, those who are interested in buying the land. We have Maiga Homes, those who want their houses be built good. They will be there. And then we have the KCB Bank, as the old bank that everybody knows with the green color. They also be there, among others. We're going to welcome the local business people who are coming also to showcase their products over there. We have the flyer going on right now, which came last night. It has a few information on the cultural night. And the AGM is also coming, which is July the 3rd. It is going to be a Sunday. So just going back a notch, the June 25th, that is the cultural night. Cultural night for Omogusi, but all are welcome. So the address has been put there where we are going to have that. That is a Lumber Exchange, is in downtown Minneapolis. And it is 10 South 5th Street, number 23. And the zip code is 55402. So if you just put Lumber Exchange in Minneapolis, hata usipogramu hizo zingine zote, you will know where it is. It is a famous place, very beautiful. You don't want to miss it. And of course, you don't want to miss the flavor of Mukisi na Mukisi. Uncle Freddy akirusha mdomo pale, ukipata DJ huko, Kelvin, mwenzake ule Josto, Mwana Kendra watakuwa pale, Boanzi atakuwa pale, Ubo Kano itakuwa pale. Wacha nisiongee sana watu wasikie. Sasa hiyo Ubo Kano itakuwa pale, utingishe kabisa mapega kabisa. Wacha nikwambie, sitaki kuongea yote, nimalize utamu kabisa. Sasa tutakuwa pale. Basi niulize swali lingine, nimesahau baba.
Sasa I think kwa maswali tumeshamaliza. Sasa ni tuseme I think ni ku closing remarks from us now, but gotebya abantu baita bakusi bali more ngumbu na 25th of June omuyego yo monene okorokunga noro Gusi Cultural Night will happen igari Lumber Exchange building UR 10th Street igari Minneapolis post address 5542 igo kamoranche moche tuego kitoseke togo ketotenge pakache korondo njanto minyoki sana igonga moche mkisi entertainment, why not igonga mbuyamono sana. Thank you, the Granite Diaspora Sacco. Of course, after this live, abantomba chiga libana bana kobwati. I'm sure you, my engineer.
There were two questions that I go respond to before we summarize. One from Titus Mokaya and Dixon Commander.
Yes.
Titus, then I can tie to Dixon Commander. Titus, your question: Granite, is it a saving credit Sacco or an investment Sacco? Briefly, we are both. per the regulations of the SASRA, a Sacco cannot be an investment unless you create a separate entity. So we have both the Sacco arm and the investment arm. So we are both. But we get our members from, you have to be a Sacco member, then you become an investment member, in brief. Togo Jesse Dixon Commander, in brief, I can tell you our achievement. We have been existing for less than 2 years. But so far, we already have projects that are ongoing in real estate. And we have a project that we are still working on to create an industry. I cannot give specific Kiagara. These are member-only information. Until it actually has been actualized, then it can be public information. But at the moment, we are working, and each and every day we have a committee, but this subcommittee called Exploration Committee. Their purpose is to gather ideas from members, crystallize, research, and come up with a specific project aligned with those ideas from the members, and then go back to the members to get approval. We have achievements, but we can only give you general information. We cannot give specific Yagara. Those are member information. Like in summary, yes, we have achieved, and we have already projects that are ongoing right now. We do have quite a number of projects, but if you want to join us, we are more than welcome. Once you become a member, we can give those details at that time. I hope I've answered your questions, guys, but that's it. Yeah, Granite is both a Sacco and an investment. Thank you.
Biamono kabisa. I think in case ondeka bwateli swali pole sana naikana sira I had to go somewhere anyora se ngwekenga ninege sunte egere pick up the conversation. Thank you Victor for holding fort. Na boy go ndebo ensio bwateli swali. Let's keep interacting igali ase inbox even on this live video, because no ego chigotigara pages cheito. You can always ask, and the members or even ourselves in Authority ready to help for whoever has a question. Igonga onarigo muchakano bwesabali tobwate yogo taramo ese lugha ya mtaani bawatanga kuchanuana meaning gutira ni ebyoge, sharpening each other, so that what I know which you don't know I help you the information, now what you don't know you help me the information, twasuka mutwe buna abana benyombe. So Richard the chair teammate, what do you have?
Well, you did it, Bono.
Aiga boyete kapisa chingo kwa jasire Kisumu.
Bienvenido sana, Santi. I think I joined you guys late a little bit, but my team was with you. I'm the chair of the Granite Diaspora Sacco, at the same time the Granite Investment Society. Bienvenido sana se ogo to host again na bina ba eresire se tokabugate chi eventi vere chi Minnesota. Mone yere telekemero ngebere naisano chumutienyu oyo itukolie sabato maragoba abandonende bajya to yunge nane to inyoranye omuino bwa mugusi alafu tukoli ko bwati ali talikisa to chumutienyu o saba naro naende to mera no the same place at Minneapolis, downtown Minneapolis, St. Paul's, Lamba Exchange naende tokole HM together. HM is open, it's not closed. Onde bwensi na bago cha tegerere na ndende to kwane buno mogusito inyorane ngai twarwete na ngitu bwene ta kokora se ito nka banda bange bena turega bandu bakwanire biamono sana naiwa Madam Chair Madam Chair of the marketing the kiregento tingo chikogenda mange because ndoje ngamai kiras moji ku wind up but ya maswali abandu wate na mange tonyo register na bato kwanza still information nere provided via email nero. You can reach us, a phone number narrow, you can reach us, you can call us, and we can answer all the questions. Everybody from the US. This is purely post business. We don't have front end. Ya chiobis. Front end. As a Sacco. Fosa nere yokuwokia so murango abunaribu na kisi mwalimu Sacco kwa era jikubosiaria. Chinchi chiko rukunga non-deposit Saccos. Chilitari ukora na chukumu mushahara jire chiri ukona jo mushahara ogenda direct ya se account ye chibona chyo ogenda bushari kwa basabu ya se account but ye ne rio ko irebese ya wa deposit ne ngotwari logistics team nene kere muri diaspora kobera muna Kenya na kokobebese ya ona kubeka, but still we allow members from Kenya, and muna Madam Chair of Marketing akwana ntobwate some members on the ground, and we welcome most of the members again to keron keringa karanche kubwatia a vision ne mission yaito onde bwensi umugusi ominto tagete kubwatia vision ne mission yaito no toramo na bogo join by we code ya HR 2022 na boko likasi HR go kwenda se website yetu HR 2022 o join but umunkunyu no mo sombato tieke gusigira kana maitenga na majeta ina mugura atumia ngomba ganyeto maida abantu bamanyitenga no mukarega tubwatanga ni firimbi buge kabisa bokano bokobuga toyunga kabisa turagera mo toinyo guri tokeria itu ebuse ni umuntu abo yange busane karo ebuse ne ero yaga arinde yani umuje murare ebuse yense minde tari ebuse ri ende tokonyukeke busirende to sangamo korindi matonyo ndo tabate ri swali mutara butora na bongo lira neliga but we welcome you. Welcome everybody. Now, the question we will answer them. Some of them we can provide you information. We can answer and send them back. But we welcome you. And we are looking forward to host the HM and together with the cultural night.
Swali ndiri aboli kuga ikana Brian yakagwaro timeti go sendi aboli go sendi ira nerigwe just because na inquire na ngwaso maybe a bit later koboli. Do you have any plans as a Sacco to help other Gusii people to work abroad other than using green cards?
At the moment, ntobwati kwerende a program mudanje ruketime ngira ibeke ke Gusii program ego ene pass to konya abantu bagwa abroad. But if there's a few program around, but if they send more information, our website very first, and it's a website that will be interactive now. Nature will launch it soon. Nebwata say a site talk about to kubeka chi advertisement kitura nyoro muntu to partner na barabwa sabantu batagete ku work abroad will give those information. Ni might especially ngabantu ba healthcare nurses from Kenya ngo konyo bare information ba kunga kya abantu bako konyo ba chaga. Such information we can provide them, but at the moment it will begin to get directly express ngatura konyo umuntu aja ku work because amachiko yaga naro na mangao machiko yaga naro we ko yabuati nenjero yo gocha go ikebe njiri iri korreka na burunge jira dia muntara ko ngai nenge shortcut mai to ganda na kali ngai no mundo ngani njengo ire go senko ire America go colleagues na America iteyo which is very bad na tutageti tubate integrity ya igoro kabisa na wanyama nzokania bago join as members na bantu bubate integrity na ende tubate zero tolerance no monto ogocha muna arengere tiko kunebesa yo ye member bese ye member is zero. Na bono no abo rocho monsi pia timu ya gokora mbali wakano ene timu ya volunteer egento kelile na bandu bakwa na timu ina kitora kero keke kusiba ko SR ISR individual social responsibility one ndo ngati keria kerole se kerola se corporate section bakro ka CSR which is corporate social responsibility a organization yere ko give back to the community ayebono buno muntu munyang ayoyo mobuno mugisini kyokorwa goja se community na bora bakonye in terms of yoko information ko ba amangana agenderete na intubona that is the same way to give back to the community maybe as an investment we have plans to invest a region yaito kabisa muna Gusii abantu baito employment locally. That's one way we can help. We have plans, and if some of them will be rolled out, they will be seen on our website, but we have plans. Now 1 year, 2 years, 3 years in 1 year we are setting up the base, and the base has been set, and some of the investments that we have started, we cannot, because those are for members, we cannot start broadcasting them here. That's member information. We will all it confidential, but okay, join, and if you want one-on-one, we can answer those questions, and we'll show you where to mefanya. But I'm telling you, ukiona out of 16 Diaspora Sacco, we were only 3 licensed to transact. So we were among the 3 licensed, and most of them were giant Saccos. We were a young Sacco, and that has been licensed. A year ago, working how committed we are and how serious we are.
Great. Thank you so much, Chair. Igong teammate Victor, as we wind up. Victor, teammate agenda, teammate ko sebado nare na intwe, but I think so far so good, and thanks for the response. Balimu created time kobamo na intwe. Really thank you. Nindo Hesbon ikirega iga lero setup ya eko kanore musician obwate some big headphones ne microphone. Thank you, Hesbon. Dime think you're at as we wind up.
Again, don't have a Sacco na a safe flyer go June 25th na July 3rd. What information ilkiwa mundada te komanya. Kora nyote kaisan kawefu chambali chikira na work next usina work message. Ndo wakati sana ndo watu mwa comments Minnesota time.
Very excited. We can't wait for the day. Njengo teba kuruga iga umuchio monene o Kenya Nairobi mbiyamo kabisa time tinga ivikta kachimbuna imegochi lakini kimondo chega iga nere momoroche. Thank you so much Hesbon and everybody you facilitated to make sure that watwale this convention kusego tware meeting bune iga mbiyamo kabisa na inde it's a big step. It's the first step towards a bigger journey to make yogo sukamutwe na this one we go green card. This is what I want to tell you. This your net worth is as big as your networking. So this next step ntanganya networking. When you network wachakire komanya abantu no nechiga sinabogo chinyora igo because you never know oyoko umeranera sekiombeke sakeye nabora anyore gasi egwate te kurukenyo chigokora oigorire gosene hotel nero nyibwate orachakiraga bukwanza. So it's networking kwanza tigotora chaka networking. It really plays a big role towards gosukamutwe as a human being. So back to you baba kitogo kora.
Bano ali swali elio na ndoche na ande paka abande bantumeire bali bamanyete bantumeire ase Facebook yane privately na WhatsApp. There is an organization called a One Voice Consortium, OVC. We'll be partnering soon. We have a few members taking part in that organization. They have some of those programs. So now, since we have had these questions being asked over here, we'll try and see how we can connect you with that organization. That is called the OVC, One Voice Consortium. It has a lot of programs from dealing from politics, business, and things like those, helping people who are seeking to find green pastures. They do have all that information. They're all over the internet. You can find them. But here we are. We can try as much as we can to link you up. So I'll take this opportunity to thank you, Mukisi na Mukisi, and this is a great opportunity for us to again meet and talk to our members. Umugusi, let's be proud of who we are. I do not apologize. So let me thank our members who are joined today. I see Mr. Bill Machage, my head boy from high school. Akia ko mono I see. You got Janeta too. I see. I got Billy Machage. Yeah, and then there is we have Josephine Nyamongoro from Dallas. We have Miss June from New England, Joel Lesbon, Chairman Mr. Richard, and the rest that I'm not able to see on the screen because I see so many are watching, but I may not be able to capture all the names. So the Grand Granite members, thank you so much for being with us all the way. And omogusia semuabeta bone bisambete. Toyenda torolenga nkoli tole chimbaru Minneapolis Lumber Exchange. Jojo ametayarisha kabisa ile chakula ya kukula ushibe mpaka ulewe ulewe uzuri lakini
kabisa kwani Jojo na Fanako kwani kabisa. We can't wait to meet you guys to kill you.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate you guys, and we thank the Abagusi Global Radio and Abagusi TV live also for working with us. Those are our private, sorry, not private. Those are religiously good people to work with. They're always there for us. And thank you, Mukisi na Mukisi. That's all we have for now. Aya tupeleka mdomo na miguu pale Minneapolis. Wana bigitanga yake merondo ko chirende.
Tabone ko kana gosege sunte nanya ko rege sunte ge konya gocha se tu alingi o tempara tu alingi kero monto chigwe njena minyoka ofisi nanyo ora watch manieta linganga linara sororo ma bono batara ngimo ki hopela ima bono twakora kumulinginde manyanga ya atamagochi arakini rende. Thank you so much. We have Billy Machage also saying he's a proud member. Timeti go senkwa moranere, but I know it's a lot of members watching. But I did a wonderful job, Madam Chair of Marketing. You are the best. Out there, Madam Billy Machage, out there, I guess I did a wonderful job. You are the best. Thank you so much, Billy.
Yeah, thank you so much. That should be the last one. Otherwise Mukisi, unajua ni Mukisi. Anaweza nichapa ngumi hata kwa screen. Tutaweza maliza hapa. Why downtown Minneapolis? Unajua wanasema wengi wape. Walia wangi na wanyoko romo ntoka nyakita no taigwetu. Obura igo paka nero kwa ewa. Oburuenga tikato mokonya ruato tikane. Omwana ulio kona kuowanki mwana na macha nywe. Igo matora nyura macha. So wale wengi wape. Walisema tuende pale Minnesota. Sasa Minnesota, Minneapolis, hapo ndio tulipata ile nini kubwa kabisa, ile nyumba kubwa kabisa inaweza tutosha sisi wote. Alafu na huyo kijana anaitwa Esbon ameweka hizo mavitulari kwa kichwa, amefanya kazi kabisa mpaka kaona lazima tuende Minnesota. So thank you so much, Esbon. If you wanna finish up with us, so ndio tutiko mwana oyo liagoro vile agenda chiko ligyo boro ni chinsaga.
No.
Nara chali botukolera mu amugambirigo.
It gives you the comfort of knowing the culture of Minneapolis. Now, it will be around July 4th. Yeah, so it should be itakuwa mzuri kwenu kukua Minneapolis katikati more Minneapolis and how we may develop as much as we are seas, we have to explore other culture at the same time. So it's like great. One station na kila kitu. So Minneapolis is the best spot for us.
Great. So, all under one roof. It's a one-stop shop.
Yes. So that is a very nice place to be. Esbon knows the place very well. Nairo yote viringa kiere. Wana ntoko imokia mako igoro.
Yes, so you.
Ewa tengena bugantume bamuratumango ena bugatume beniwaya. Hiyo hata itaweza funga. Na muna yondo chono maita kuruto motwe.
Bikotingo chande na bimina mina.
Aki asanti yeso tigabe nainwe.
Yes, so you akimbi amora.
Thank you so much. Thanks everyone. Go ahead.